It's Lauren here with 2 Minute Tuesday, the show where we talk about finances in about 2 minutes. Did you know, according to a 2018 federal report, 40% of adults could not cover an unexpected $400 bill? Today, we're talking about the power of an emergency fund and how you can gain peace of mind by being prepared. So come with me as I put the fun in emergency fund. Who wrote this? An emergency fund is a special amount of money you put aside for unexpected financial setbacks like illness or injury, the loss of a job, or major auto repair. In other words, real emergencies. Without money set aside, these financial setbacks could be devastating. But with an emergency fund, you'll be better prepared for whatever life throws your way. So, how much should you save in your emergency fund? Experts say you need to have 3 to 6 months expenses saved. If you're a single income family or have a job tied to the economy, you might want to save closer to the 6-month limit. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of money, but keep in mind this is 3 to 6 months of expenses, not income. This is the bare bones you need to get by. Just the basics: food, utilities, your rent or mortgage, healthcare costs, and any debt payments. Add up how much these cost you per month and multiply that by the number of months you want to cover. I know it's a lot of money to save. So let's start with just $1,000. This will be enough to get the ball rolling for a lot of emergencies. Even if you're currently in debt and struggling, you still need an emergency fund. The key is to get out of living paycheck to paycheck and not resort to high-interest credit cards or payday loans when an emergency happens. You don't want to get stuck in the cycle of debt. Remember, this is an emergency fund. It should only be used for true emergencies. This is not a saving fund for a vacation or down payment on a new house. Look at all this money I have in my emergency fund. I'm rich! So it doesn't disappear, you should keep it in an account separate from your regular checking or savings, or put it into a different institution if you have to. It needs to be easy to access, but not so easy you feel like you can just transfer or spend it on a whim. Don't stop with just your emergency fund. After you've saved 3 to 6 months of expenses in your emergency fund, continue saving into your 401k or IRA to prepare yourself for retirement. The sooner you start your retirement savings, the better off you'll be in the future. The point to all these savings is to give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared. So now you know the power of having an emergency fund. Do you have any tips for saving money? Share with us in the comments below. And if you're in need of consolidating high-interest debt, talk to Coastal. We have a dedicated member assistance program to help find the right solutions for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best part of banking better is living better.